to everyone present here. I am Suhruth of grade 7 and I am going to be talking about the exploration of space. So contents. First I'll be introducing the topic and then show the timeline and then conclude. So what is space? It is everything in the universe beyond the top of Earth's atmosphere. The moon, where the GPS satellites orbit, Mars, other stars, the Milky Way, black holes and distant quasars are part of space. Space exploration. Space exploration allows us to prove or disprove scientific theories developed on Earth. For studying the solar system, for example, has brought us insights into such phenomena as gravity, the magnetosphere, the atmosphere, and a lot more. Now the timeline. In 1946, the mission WAC Corporal was the first rocket that reached the edge of space. In 1957, Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite. In the same year, 1957, Sputnik 2, it was the first spacecraft with the first animal, a dog named Laika, which was sent to the orbit. In 1959, Explorer 6 took the first photograph of Earth from the orbit. In 1961, Vostok 1, which took the first man to space, was launched. In 1962, OSO-1 was the first orbital solar observatory. In 1963, Vostok 6 took the first woman into space. And in 1966, Luna 10, the first artificial satellite to orbit the moon. In 1969, Apollo 11, as we all know, took Neil Armstrong and others to the moon. In 1974, Mariner 10 took the first photograph of Venus from space. 1982, Venera 13. It took the first Venus soil samples and sound recordings of another world. In 1990, Voyager 1 took the first photograph of the whole solar system. In 1997, Halka made the first orbital radio observatory, and in 2000, Near Shoemaker made the first orbiting of an asteroid, 433 Eros. In 2001, the same satellite, Near Shoemaker, made the first landing on the same asteroid, 433 Eros. In 2005, Cassini-Huygens made the first soft landing on Titan, a moon of Saturn. In 2009, Kepler mission took the first space telescope designated to search for Earth-like exoplanets. In 2011, Messenger was the first spacecraft to orbit Mercury. In 2012, Voyager 1 was the first man-made probe in interstellar space. So the conclusion. I would like to conclude that space exploration has widely developed since the 19th century. Now, due to this space exploration, we know about solar system, galaxies, universes, and scientists are also coming up with theories about a multiverse. These are the reference links I used to make this PPT. Now I would like to end my presentation and I welcome any queries you may have. I would like to thank Ms. Abhirami ma'am, my English teacher, and Dr. M.M. Sastry sir for encouraging and helping me. I would also like to thank my family who have helped me put this project together. Thank you.